After working like last 15 years in IT field, this is what I realized. What is IT? Yeah. Sure, it can happen. Thank you. So let's give a big hand to these student leaders to bring the training to you. Why don't you give them a big hand to them?
So, business analyst, it's a very hot trend of jobs because this is something is very much needed. So you can already see that in IT, it's now there is no job for IT. Now it's all transformed into digital technologies called DT. It's all about DT jobs. So when it comes to more DT, it's more like an off-the-shelf solution deployment. It started to happen last 5-10 years already, and now it's going to the peak. So now even the testing, automation testing happening, and a lot more gonna happen. Second thing, most of the time now we even don't need to code anymore because there will be more like a code engine who can code by itself. We can just write down the word command and the code engine can build the code and mobile app for that. So what is really needed? The next era is going to be very much for business analysts who can understand the business and improve the business so that they can give the right command for the coding engine, so who can build the code. So now, what is the job of the business analyst? Business analyst is really understand the business process. So to understand the business process, business analysts normally go through a department, how it works, and then bring it back the whole process to a system. So there is a lot of projects going on for last 5-10 years, and there's a lot of ERP. So there's a lot of business analysts who are working on ERP projects. So in the ERP, every project's built for automating the whole company, right? That's called ERP. So here, business analysts work very closely with the ERP project because they're really need to understand the business process, document it. And so when they study a company process and document it, so that then it becomes a business requirement document. So most of the time, business analysts study how that department runs or how a function runs. Let's say recruitment, how a company do the recruitment, understand that process, and then document it. And then propose back some improvement process, how they can improve the recruitment, for example, or how they can optimize their resource, example. So that's business analyst does, and then build the requirement document, and then build that requirement document and give it to the developer team or development team to build a solution to meet the business requirement. So then the development team build the business requirement and do the development of the solution. BA, they can do a functional tester as well. Test the product solution and confirm it actually meet the requirements of the user. And then it can come back to the user and the user can do a user acceptance test. So BA, a whole thing started with study the process of the function or the department, build a business requirement document, which is in a Word file, write it down, and then give it to the development team to build a solution. And after building is complete, because development team have a tester to test already and all good, and then BA do a functional test to see that all the functionality is there and confirm, and then give it to the user and tell them to do a user acceptance test. So that's the overall model of business analysts now. But now I will tell you a little bit what is going to be the future. Future is going to be more. Because like I said that now the future, the coding will not be needed anymore. It's all about giving commands and then the automatic compiler can build the code. So BA role will be always there. BA is always needed and BA role is going to be more valuable in the future because BA always need to function the study, the process, the function or the departments, and then build the business requirement document, and still they will probably give the command directly to the compiler to build the application for them. And then when the application is built by the compiler already, then BA will do the testing as well and confirm all the functionality is there. So there is, in the future, the BA role is going to be more and more vital. It's not going to go reduce the importance, but it's going to be more and more important because BA can, because now from BA and the development team, and then there is a compiler, because the compiler is so stupid. So the development team need to do coding. In the future, the BA can go directly to the compiler and build the thing. It doesn't mean that BA need to know code. No, BA just need to type the comments in a Word file. Let's make a login. Like a comment could be as simple like this. I want to make a login screen, and my login screen design is this. And then the BA will upload the image of the login screen, and that will transform to a login screen of a mobile app. I need a registration screen, and to the registration screen, this is my registration screen layouts. Then it transforms to this screen. And then BA probably need to know what is the structure of the database, probably, in that time. The future will be a moving to learn how the database works. Or there will be an architect, solution architect, who will design the database and help the BA to build the app. So this is about the BA. Do you want to ask more?
Yes. The PA, you know about I should tell you develop myself among BA and developer. Among PA developer, who will develop more fast?
BA has more future.
More future and
developer has future too, but developer maybe need to transform to a architect level. So in the future, there will probably no need any young developer. All need an architect level developer who can design and improve and optimize the compiler. I mean, the coding engine can be improved, need to be improved, more smarter and so on.
okay. And I want to say in VSHR, do we have any BA?
Right now we don't really have a BA, but do you want to do a BA role? Yeah, we could have your BA role as well too. You could be a developer, you can also be a BA as well. Right now we have not taken a BA yet. Yeah.
So can I apply BA?
Sure, you can be a BA as well too. You can do the BA and developer at the same time. Yeah.
Oh, I see. And you know.
So your internship could be for BA and developer at the same time. Yeah.
Yes. So my question is about business, and I think, and I am learning about IT, and I think business analyst is suitable for me.
Okay.
About code and about coding, I think I also like but I don't have enough passion to do this. I think I will try BA. I want to be a great BA.
Good. So the great BA are those who understand the process of the business and know a bit of coding as well too.
Yes, coding. I'm learning coding.
So that's great. So carry on your learning of coding as well, and we can train you more about the business process as well too. Okay. All right. I will share you some content about business analysts, how to do business analysis, and you can study them and build up your mindset.
Okay.
Cool.
Okay.
Right. All right. Cheers.